Welcome to our video on the importance of rug cleaning. Ever wondered how it impacts the appearance and lifespan of your rugs? Let's dive into the world of rugs and explore their artistic value. Rugs are not just floor coverings, they are pieces of art. Each pattern, each color tells a story. But what happens when dirt and dust start to accumulate? Dirt and dust can dull the colors and patterns of your rugs, stealing their beauty. But it's not just about aesthetics. Did you know that rug cleaning can also have health benefits? Rug cleaning removes allergens, dust mites, and bacteria, creating a healthier living environment. And it's not just about health. Regular cleaning can also extend the lifespan of your rugs. Regular cleaning prevents damage to the fibers, keeping your rugs looking new for longer. But what about the cost? Is rug cleaning really a worthwhile investment? Regular cleaning can actually save you money in the long run by avoiding the need for early replacement. So, are you ready to invest in the longevity and beauty of your rugs? To summarize, rug cleaning is not just about aesthetics. It's about health, longevity, and cost-effectiveness. So why wait? Schedule your rug cleaning services today and experience the difference.